Hello and good morning everyone. Thank you for joining Jade Global today for this webinar. We have a very good crowd here today and that is just wonderful. My name is Sangeeta Jash and I am the Assistant Manager Marketing Communications at Jade Global and also your moderator today for this webinar. We have Vinayak Jindam here with us to discuss this topic in more detail. So I would like to tell you a little bit about our company. Jade Global is an Oracle Platinum partner and is a leading information technology services and solutions provider. We deliver the right combination of business knowledge, product and technical expertise, project management, and flexible delivery models to every engagement to ensure every client's long-term growth and success in business. For more information, please visit our website www.jadeglobal.com. I would like to introduce Vinayak now. Vinayak Jindam is a lead consultant at Jade Global. He has more than 12 years of Oracle application and IT experience. He has been involved in designing and developing different Oracle applications projects, including R12, Fusion Financials, and integration projects. I will hand it over to Vinayak now, who will review the agenda and continue with the presentation. Over to you, Vinayak.
Thanks, Sangeeta. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us today. For today's agenda, we will be looking at some of the key benefits of Oracle Fusion Financials and the key differentiator between Oracle Fusion and R12 Financials. As well as we will see how you can integrate Oracle Fusion using Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub. And at the end, we will proceed with the question and answer session. All right. So, before we proceed further, I would like to give a brief information about cloud services. So Oracle Fusion Financial Cloud Services is a Oracle Fusion application which are completely open, standard-based enterprise application that functions in the cloud via web-based browser, web browser. Oracle Fusion application helps you improve performance, lower your IT cost, and get better results. Whether you choose one module, a product family, or an entire suite, Oracle enables you to gain the benefits of Oracle Fusion application at a pace that matches your business needs. So one of the key features of Oracle Fusion is that you can implement the application by traditional on-premise implementation approach, or you can implement using cloud services. So by taking advantages of rapid implementation and cost benefits as a SaaS approach. So nowadays, if you see customers adopting cloud computing in many different ways. So Oracle's strategy is to offer customer choice and flexibility with the broadest, most complete portfolio of cloud service and product that enables the cloud. The application and database deployed in the Oracle Cloud are portable and can be easily moved to and from on a private or an on-premise environment. So Oracle Cloud provides for a platform that delivers extreme performance, redundancy, and scalability. So in the succeeding presentations, we will refer to the Oracle Fusion Financials as Oracle Cloud Financials, as this is the current preferred method of implementing Oracle Fusion Financials, while maximizing on cost benefits and rapid implementation available using their approach. So by now, I think you have at least understanding what Oracle Fusion and cloud services are. All right. So let's take an introduction. So one of the key questions that always arises when it comes to Oracle Fusion is, why do I need another enterprise application? What differentiates Oracle Fusion from other enterprise applications? So let's simply put this. Oracle Fusion is the next generation of enterprise application developed to respond to changes in business and technology. Oracle Fusion Financials is a comprehensive and integrated financial management solution that provides highly automated financial processing, effective management control, and real-time visibility to financial results. It provides organizations with tools to make better decisions, meet financial compliances, and improve their bottom lines. Oracle Fusion Financial offers the core function expected in complete financial system. So if you see, there are modules included in financials are general ledger, receivables, payables, asset tracking, expense management, and cash management. So let's move further. So let's take a look on the constraints what we have with other enterprise applications. So compared to other enterprise applications, Oracle Fusion is different. It goes beyond the traditional financial system that collects, process, and report on data with decision supports and business intelligence as an afterthought. Oracle Fusion Financial Fundamental changes how finance user works, interact with data, and make decisions. So here are some of the key differences with other implementation. So we will go over this briefly, but we will discuss in more detail as we look at the different features of Oracle Fusion application. The other current application uses proprietary codes. So this translates to implementing changes within the application, which is more costly and limited. So in other proprietary applications, the screens are primarily transaction based. So what you see, the pages are optimal for most effective user experience. They are less flexible to address business changes, acquisitions, and expansions, and they are also very less timely to provide accurate information for better decisions. All right. So let's take a look on the features of Oracle Cloud Fusion. So Oracle Fusion is completely integrated suite of business applications, and we hear this for all and other enterprise application also. But what separates Oracle Fusion Financial is that it integrates how data is collected and reported and how users work and interact with data and make decisions. So Oracle Fusion Cloud is user-centric, easily adaptable software, best features from acquisition, and it has a new reporting standards. So let's take a look on each features what we have in little bit detail. So as I said, first one is user-centric. The screens were developed based on the observation of how users work on day-to-day basis and how information is gathered. Users have a lot of experience in accessing sites such as Amazon.com, iTunes, Facebook, and others. The new design takes these into consideration. User interfaces was developed to gather relevant information and action users needs closely aligned with the actual business flows. So if I want to give like in Fusion GL, when you are creating a journal entry, the projected account balances is displayed to show what the changes to the account balances will be once you post the journal. On the other side, if we see another example in EBS, if the system could not automatically match the receipts to invoices, a user has to manually apply them. Oracle Fusion Receivables had this additional functionality, which offers users recommendation of most likely invoices that should be matched and prioritize them using a reference score and reasons based on matching rules that users define. The system maintains the history of the past reasons why receipts were not automatically applied, such as customer taking unearned discounts, allowing you to update your matching rules to teach the system and improve the future hit rates to automatically match the receipts to open invoices. All right. So moving further, Oracle Fusion uses easily adaptable software. So what does it mean is it introduces BPEL, which stands for Business Process Execution Language used for workflows, and SOA, Service Oriented Architecture, which is like extensibility. Both of them are embedded in Fusion Middleware and Fusion Foundation. This software enables customers to make changes to business process that will survive upgrades in future. Oracle Fusion Middleware provides metadata layers that are reserved specifically for customer use to allow them to tailor and extend their application as they see fit. The best analogy here is to think about multiple drawers, with several drawers reserved for customers as they please. So configurable web services and BPEL allows companies to do so easily and very cost effectively. If Oracle changes a business process in future releases, example, in that case that might conflict with the changes customers have already made with their dedicated traverse, then those changes will be flagged so that customers can decide how they want to address them. All right. So the next features what we have is Oracle has acquired and has adapted the best features from his acquisition. This includes your Oracle e-business suite, PeopleSoft, Hyperion, Jade Edward. So likewise, Fusion includes additional functionalities also that doesn't exist in any other financial product or even in the marketplace also. So you are getting the best of what this software provides and much more. So the next feature is reporting, new reporting standard. So Oracle Fusion introduces new reporting standard. It has real-time access to financial information and exceptional reporting and analytics capabilities. One of the key things here is that Fusion is embedded with Oracle Estate, which is online analytical processing server. So when user creates a chat account, corresponding X-Space cubes is created. Like when you modify your chat account hierarchy, like you add a cost center, the cubes hierarchy is updated. Or if you post the transactions to your journal, the balances and summary levels updated also. They get updated simultaneously. So in general, if you see there are no computations, all the summarizations are done at the runtime. And all the reports and queries based upon a minute, and you have a live data. So Fusion includes Hyperion financial reporting, considered the gold standards for financials and management reporting. So this allows for users, not IT people, to develop boardroom quality financial reports based on live data that supports drill down to your original transaction. So we will discuss more features related to reporting as we go through some of the detailed difference between Oracle Fusion and Oracle Financials. All right. So let's take a look on the key differences between Oracle Cloud Financials and Oracle. So some of them here are components, chart of account, reporting, additional features, and we'll see few of them are specific to module specific. All right. So the first difference is the components goes beyond Fusion Financial, but they really pertain to Oracle Fusion product also. So when you set up R12, setups are product specific. So Fusion has a tool called FSM, that is Functional Setup Manager. So this tool provides a predefined guided list of tasks for a full end-to-end visibility to all setups requirements across modules, enabling business users with self-service to implement quickly what they need and when they need it. It provides a single interface for all of the setups and maintenance phases across the complete lifecycle. Oracle Fusion uses the data roles, that is, data security interacts with functional security to limit access in these financial areas. When you have a different role such as employee role or accountant role or a manager role, each of these roles grants the users with specific and different privileges. For example, if I want to say like accountant role may grant the users as a set of privileges that are different from privileges with the manager role. As an accountant, the user may also have a data access to ledger. It might not be accessible being a manager. Okay. So Fusion has extensive integration across most finance functions. So what you can do here is you can enter journals, you can correct journals import errors found in your open interface. You can enter and update your exchange rate, or you can enter supplier invoices, you can correct invoice import errors, you can process your cash receipts, you can enter employees, you can enter expense report, and you can add assets, and many more like this. And all of them for Excel. You can also create and access real-time balances and activities.
Sorry, we are having some issues of echo which some of our attendees are saying, so we're just trying to sort that out. Vinayak, can you please unmute yourself? Yes. You need to unmute. Yeah.
Okay. So let's take a look on the chart of account side, what the differences are. So in Fusion, the chart of account model is framed around the concepts of chart of account structure, under which one or more chart of account structure instances can be created. The chart of account structure defines the key attributes for your chart of accounts, such as the number of segments, the number of sequence, the segment name, the segment font, the segment label, and the default value set. A chart of account structure can be shared across different chart of account structure instances. Also, chart of account structure instance is the chart of account available in user interface and processes. By default, the chart of account inherited all the attributes of the chart of account structure. What does it mean is, all the instances of the same structure share a common shape and have a very same segment in the same order. However, at the chart of accounts instance level, you can override the default value set assignment for a segment and also assign a unique account hierarchy that determines the parent-child relationship between the value set values. What is the rationale for segregating chart of account structure from instances? So in R12 EBS, the data access sets were limited to ledger that shares the same chart of accounts and calendar. The intent is to expand data access set to be the set of chart of account structure level where you have the same shape, but you might have a different value sets for the different companies. In R12, you'll see one primary balancing segment, but in Fusion, there are three balancing segments. So one is required, that is primary is required, and the other two are options. So hierarchy-wise in Fusion, account hierarchies are used for balance inquiries, financial reporting, and other general ledger processing. For inquiry and reporting purpose, date effective hierarchies allows analysis for past, present, or future data against any account hierarchy. Only a single tree version may be effective at a single point of time for general ledger processing, such as balance purpose and revaluation. However, for financial inquiry and reporting, multiple account hierarchies may be published simultaneously to balance dues to allow performing date effective comparisons to your organizational change, such as company, cost center, and account reorganization. Okay, in terms of segment value security, in EBS you can enter a segment value security on segment. It does nothing until you define a security rule and assign them to an application or a responsibility. So in Fusion, enabling segment value security restricts user usage to all by default and need a grant access to roles. Yeah, so these are few things about chart of accounts, what is there in R12 and what is there in Fusion. All right. So let's take a look on the reporting side. In R12, you have SSG, nothing but your financial statement generator. So this can be used to define and submit your financial report. So as I said before in previous slides, Oracle Fusion uses Hyperion financial reporting, considered the gold standard for financial and management reporting. So it allows the users, not IT people, as I said before, it develops to a boardroom quality financials report based on live data that supports drill down to your original transaction. So in FSG, these reports are uninitiative report creation. It doesn't have ability to insert graphs, while this Hyperion for financial reporting is intuitive report creation, like in Excel and interfaces and graphing capability. FSGs has limited output types, while in Hyperion reporting financials, it can generate multiple output types, like Excel, PDF, HTML, etc. So FSG needs a batch program to submit a report, but there's nothing like to submit a batch program in Fusion Financials. All the reports are live based on the multidimensional balances. FSG is not interactive like drilling and expanding to parent values, whereas Hyperion financial reporting is interactive, drilling and expanding on parent values. Reporting managers are central distribute access point in time reports, whereas financial reporting is centrally distribute access live and point in time. All right.
There's echo noise going on backside. So.
Yes, Vinayak, I'm still getting messages with the echo. Can you speak now?
Okay.
Yeah, you can go ahead.
So let's move further. There is no multidimensional analysis within Excel. But here, the SmartView features provides multidimensional analysis and reporting within Excel. There is no multidimensional analysis within web pages, but the Account Inspector provides multidimensional analysis, allow pivoting, dragging and dropping of pages level dimensions to further slice and dice results with drill down to original transactions. All this can be done in web pages. So there is no ability to actively monitor account balances also. Like account managers can monitor account balances in real time based on user-defined thresholds. It provides self-monitoring accounts that automatically detects sudden spikes and drops in the account balances based on the threshold that you define. So this is all we have seen so far, the features in Oracle Fusion Financials. So let's move on the additional feature sites, what we have. So some of them here are extensive spreadsheet integration across most finance functions, role-based dashboards, imaging integrations, tools to accelerate the close process. Extensive spreadsheet integration across most finance functions. So let's take a look. As I said before, you can enter journals, correct journal import errors found in open interface. You can enter and update exchange rates, enter supplier invoices, correct invoice import errors, process cash receipts, enter employees, or you can enter expense report, add assets, and many more like this. So all this can be done using Excel spreadsheet. All right. So all this can be done, can be created or refreshed in spreadsheet to access real-time account balances and activity. Role-based dashboards brings information from multiple work areas, work list and watch list, serves as a central cockpit to manage any accounting activities. They proactively monitor process, raise exceptions that occurs, So they proactively process monitors, raise exceptions that occurs during processing, and push works to users. Instead of running multiple queries or searching for data, the data is all in one place. Users simply need to log into their dashboards and work area to see what they need to do on that day. So the next features like imaging integration, which is very good, interesting features what I've seen in Fusion. So imaging integration is one of the good features that Oracle as the only software vendor to provide that out-of-box imaging integrations for supplier invoices. So once you scan supplier invoices, our market-leading intelligent character recognition technology. So this technology will read the invoice, extract the necessary invoice information, and pre-populate the invoice data. On the closer process sides, the allocation manager delivers the graphical wizards that user through step-by-step process for creating complex formulas. There are reconciliation reports available that are interactive reconciliation reports that compares open receivables and open payable balances to the corresponding balances in Fusion General Ledger. If any difference exists in these reconciliation reports, it performs a labor-extensive process of matching each transaction to its respective accounting entries and automatically finds all transactions and accounting entries that contributes to the out-of-balance situation. Accountant then quickly drill down to the transaction to investigate discrepancy. So this is one of the things like what I have seen from one of my client, the AP account payables manager. At the end of the month, she runs trial balance or APP or econs. And did she see that her balances, there is always some reconciliations shows up. I mean, some differences shows up. So this is one of the things like what I have seen in Fusion Financials, like there are reconciliation reports available, which tells you exactly if there is any difference exists, which tells you which invoice, why the difference is. So those kind of reconciliation reports are available here in Fusion. So closing status allows you to monitor the close status across Fusion subledgers, such as your projects, payables, receivables, assets, and ledgers in General Ledger. All right. So let's move further and see specific to module specific features, like in terms of payables and receivables. So in Fusion, Payables Manager dashboard allows you to exceptions like missing exchange rates that occurs during automated invoice and payment processing. It also tracks the status of supplier invoices and identifies which invoices requires approval, as well as which invoice and payments are on hold, and many more like this. Oracle Fusion Financial uses a spreadsheet, or it has a spreadsheet that allows you to enter supplier invoices and correct supplier invoice import errors. Oracle Fusion Financial supports out-of-box invoice imaging integrations. Supplier invoices can be scanned with intelligent document recognition and then automatically routed to appropriate financial persons for faster completion, approval, and payment processing. There is a positive pay files with additional parameters. Report is also introduced to include previous payments and optionally voided payments. All right. So on the Fusion receivables side, so receivables introduces smart receipts features. So smart receipts are like an industry-leading automated cash application solution and role-based works area that provides embedded intelligence and focused to-do list of transactions, receipts, and other activities requiring immediate attention. So sophisticated reporting tools helps you monitor, drill down, and compare data according to your needs. Receivable spreadsheets are available to process customers' receipts and remittance information also. So you can use your receivables applications like customer profile services to integrate external systems and Oracle Fusion receivables and automatically creates a new customer records. You can automatically recognize revenue based on seeded revenue scheduling rules. You can recognize revenue rates over a set period of time, immediate or defer the revenue recognition whenever required. All right. So far we have seen the features what we have in R12 in Fusion Financials. Now let's take a look on the integration, Fusion integration. Okay. All right. So what is Fusion Accounting Hub, Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub? Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub is an accounting integration reporting platform that includes the following products. What you see here is like subledger accounting, ledger, financial reporting center. Fusion Accounting Hubs offers a flexible approach to system adoption, allowing customers to implement Fusion Financials. As an accounting integration platform, Fusion Accounting Hub standardized the accounting from multiple third-party transactional systems to consistently enforce accounting policies. It also meets multiple reporting requirements in an automated and controlled fashion. So as a reporting platform, Accounting Hub, Fusion Accounting Hub offers e-business suite and PeopleSoft customers reporting and analytics capabilities with minimal disruptions to their current financial processes. So essentially it allows customers to retain their current investments. It allows you to coexist with new applications where it makes sense and where they can achieve significant business values. Fusion Accounting Hub also provides current e-business suite and PeopleSoft customers the opportunity to adopt Fusion Financials in a revolutionary manner. It also provides with minimal implementation efforts. It provides like without restrictions to their current financial management process. Like example, suppose if a company have a third-party feeder segment, the Fusion Accounting Hub can also be used to create the appropriate accounting entries to meet statutory, corporate, regulatory, and management reporting needs in a very controlled and consistent fashion. It also provides many of the innovations that are in Oracle Fusion Financials, such as a unique reporting and analytic platform, a role-based dashboards, a spreadsheet integrations, a robust allocation engine, and the best of the best capabilities across our application unlimited portfolio and Fusion middleware. Fusion Accounting Hub also retains current e-business suite and PeopleSoft financial systems and have them coexist with Fusion Financials where there is a significant business values are there. It also reduces integration cost and dependencies on IT stuff. It also eliminates the need to manage custom accounting logic for third-party transactional system to meet statutory, corporate, regulatory, and management reporting needs in a very controlled and consistent fashion. It also performs sophisticated reporting and analytics within a multidimensional environment. Fusion Accounting Hub also makes better decisions with real-time access to information. So this is all about what the Fusion Accounting Hub does. All right. So let's take a look on the options to implement Oracle Fusion Accounting. So there are three scenarios to consider here. First is account integration, reporting platform, account integration and reporting platform. So let's take a look on the first scenario, accounting integration. It performs accounting to accounts for transactions such as billing and loans from non-Oracle external applications. It creates journal entries and transfer reference information from non-Oracle application to accurate auditable accounting entries. The second scenario, what you see is a reporting platform that transfers Oracle e-business suite and PeopleSoft GL to Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub. It takes like advantages of multidimensional financials reporting tools and gives you a real-time analytics. The third scenario is a combination of both accounting integration and the reporting platform. Let's take a look in little detail. So what these scenarios are. Okay, the first is like accounting integrations. If you see this picture, what I'm presenting right now, the Fusion Accounting Hub integrates with Oracle non-Oracle transaction systems to create accounting entries in Oracle GL, like your Fusion, e-business suite, and PeopleSoft General Ledger, and also with other non-Oracle GL systems. It is highly configurable and centralized rule engine that can transform transactions information from third-party systems to create accurate and auditable accounting entries to meet statutory, corporate, regulatory, and management reporting needs. Accounting information. So accounting integration performs accounting transformation to accounts for transactions from non-Oracle external systems. So there are few steps here. So first you capture accounting events. You'll create accounting rules. You'll transfer and post the journals, and you'll run some audit and analysis report. Okay, let's take a look on the next is reporting integrations. So reporting performs platform transfers Oracle e-business suite and PeopleSoft GL to Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub to take advantages of multidimensional financial reporting tools and real-time analytics. It enables continued use to Oracle e-business and PeopleSoft GL and applications from transaction processing while sending accounting results to Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub. It also corporate financial reporting and analysis reporting also. As a reporting platform, Oracle e-business suite and PeopleSoft customers can leverage financial accounting hubs, exceptional reporting and analysis performed without disrupting their current financial process, such as their credit to cash and procure to pay processes. This allows customers to leverage FHA accounting, Fusion Accounting Hub reporting ledgers as their ledgers and records to perform sophisticated reporting and analysis against the real-time accounting information, with optional drill down to the source transaction details. So it gives you, like in Fusion Accounting Hub, you can integrate all the data from third-party system as well as from other EBS and PeopleSoft GL data. You can consolidate to your integrate to your accounting Fusion Hub, and you can generate a reports out of Fusion Accounting Hub, and you can drill down to the original transactions from there. So these all things are available here. So the third scenario, all right. So the third scenario is accounting and reporting integration. So by choosing to employ the full capabilities of Oracle Fusion Accounting Hub as both an accounting and reporting platform, users get the benefit of integration with non-Oracle transaction systems to create accounting entries in your general ledger that together with your powerful reporting and analysis against a real-time accounting information and optionally drill down to your source transaction details. All right. So I thought of showing up you like presenting how Oracle Fusion application screens are. Like in R12, most of them are form based and there are OFA screen. But in Fusion, you'll see all screens are OFA screens. So this is how you log in when you log into Oracle Fusion. The left side, what you see a login screen, and the right side, it shows you the main screen once you enter to Oracle Fusion. Like you see in the responsibilities and menus in Fusion in R12, but here you have a navigator. Once you click on that small item, what you see a navigator, and it lists down what all the roles are assigned to your user ID. So this one other screen, what I thought of showing you, like general ledger, like how you enter a journal. So the form is, as I said, it's a OFA screen, so it has a batch header, journals and lines, and you'll see left hand side there are all menus, and right hand side there are some projected balances also. So I thought of showing you another these things, like what all the reporting tools are available in Oracle Fusion. So there are financial reporting, smart views, transactional BI, that is called as OT BI, and you can develop a report using your BI publishers. So just to give you a feel like how smart views reports are generated using PowerPoints or using Words or using Excel. So you need to install like smart view features, and automatically you'll see a smart view option in your Microsoft Office tools, and that's where you can generate your reports. So as a cloud implementation, just I would like to go through these key considerations, like in terms of opportunities, in terms of type of industries, like rapid implementation. Here rapid implementation is nothing but is really and quick and fast. So you can have a rapid implementation, you can implement your Fusion application using the rapid implementation. Just put everything in your Excel file and just upload it. All your chat accounts, calendars or ledgers, legal entities will get created automatically. So it's a very fast process, I would say. So as a cloud mindset, skills availability, like if you see in today in market, there are very less people around us, like very less people are certified and less people have a knowledge of Oracle Fusion Financials. So we at Jade Global are like serious to make sure like we have resources available, and most of them are certified even at on-site and offshore also. So the other things like accelerator, patching consideration, and also there are integration features are available. If you have a high volume of data or if you have a low volume of data, there are different integrations options are available in Fusion. All right. In summary, I would like to say, like in summary, Oracle Fusion Financials is a design as a complete suite to help you improve performance, lower your IT cost, and get better results. It offers an integrated financial management suite that is designed to automate, streamline, and control an organization financial management process. It includes not only best features from Oracle E-Business Suite and other acquisitions, but also it has a features not currently available in other systems. And with Fusion Accounting Hub, it provides integration options with current EBS and other system investments also. So these are few references for you. You can get more information about Fusion Financials and Fusion Accounting Hub. You can contact us, like these are the offices and addresses what you have. You can also contact us on our website www.jade. You can also see us on LinkedIn, Twitter and Facebook, and you can contact us there also.
All right, everybody. So thank you very much for attending the webinar, and we'll talk to you soon. You all have a great day. Thank you.